Hey guys, welcome to another week of Forex copy trading. So in the last video, we've looked at the third week of June. We were aiming for take profit 2 levels. However, given that this month wasn't going really well for take profit 2 levels, I have decided to backtrack all of my videos and recalculate as well take profit 1, and I have updated the sheet for it as well. I did this both for May and June. I will show you the results of May at the end of this video. But anyway, let's get back to the point of this video and let's check out the Monday. Okay, so June 23rd, Monday, they've dropped a signal at 11:15 a.m. It looks like this. Okay, 23rd of June, Monday, 11:15, this trade played out like this. As you can see, we've hit take profits 1 and 2 levels. So the trade was successful. Let's fill up the sheet. Good way to start a week. Let's see what Tuesday has to offer for us. So June 24th, they've dropped another buy signal at 11:01 a.m. Have a look at it. Okay, so Tuesday, 24th of June, this is how this trade played out. As you can see, they have again hit take profit 1 and take profit 2 levels. So another successful day. So again, let's fill the sheet up. So as you can see, after train wreck of a previous week, we've had basically a loss on that week, but right now currently we are at the profits again. Anyway, let's see what Wednesday has to offer for us. Okay, so Wednesday had 2 trades for us. The first one was taken at 1:04 p.m. Check it out. Okay, so Wednesday, June 25th, the first trade played out like this. As you can see, the first thing we've managed to hit was stop loss. So this trade was negative. Let's fill up the sheet. And the second trade for the Wednesday was dropped at 2:20 p.m. Let's check it out. So Wednesday, June 25th, 2:20 p.m. This is how this trade played out. Again, we've hit stop loss, no take profits. So this trade was a loss. Let's fill up the sheet up. So at this point, for both for take profit 2 and take profit 1, we have 50% win ratio. We are at a positive for take profit 2, but we are at the negative for take profit 1. But the week isn't over yet. We are still at the halfway point. Let's check out what Thursday has to offer for us. Okay, so June 26th, Thursday, the signal was dropped at 2:23 p.m. Let's check it out. Okay, so 26th of June, Thursday, this is how this trade played out. As you can see, we've managed to hit take profit 1 and take profit 2 levels. So this trade was successful. So let's fill the sheet up, and without wasting any more time, let's move on to Friday. Okay, so last day of the month, Friday, June 27th, the signal was dropped at 10:16 a.m. Let's check it out. Okay, so Friday, 27th of June, 10:20 a.m. This is how this trade played out. As you can see, we've managed to hit take profit 1 at 0.06 and take profit 2 at 0.15 without hitting the stop loss. So this trade was successful. Let's fill up the sheet. Okay, so we have reached the end of the month of June. Let's check out the results. Okay, so since we have done for the most part take profit 2 levels, so the first week was at the profit of $9.9 with a win ratio of 42. The second week was a bit lower than that with 0.99 and win ratio of 50. The third week was negative at a huge minus 23.76 with the win ratio of 42%. And the fourth week we have P&L of $32.67 with the win ratio of 66%. Now I have recalculated everything for the take profit 1 trade. So the first week for that was 38.61 with a bigger win ratio of 85. The second week was a bit lower as well at 13.85 with the win ratio of 75. The third week was a huge profit of 42.56 and 100% win ratio. And the third week is a bit slower than that with almost $7 and as well 66.6 win ratio. Now at the end of the month for take profit 2 we would have made almost $20. However, for the take profit 1 trades, the total sum of that would have been $100.4. For this month, for the most part, we have traded gold. Only 2 Bitcoin trades took place. For take profit 1, the average PNL was 0.007, and the take profit 1, the average PNL was 0.03. For take profit 2, the capital growth is at 6.6%. And for take profit 1 is at 34.65%. Overall this month we have taken 28 trades. For the take profit 2 we have won 14 trades with the overall win ratio of 50%. And for the take profit 1 we have won in total 23 trades with overall win ratio of 82%. Now guys, if you've reached this far, I'd like to thank you, and as I've promised, I will show you the results of take profit 1 trades for the May. Let's check those out. So there you go, the take profit 1 trade results for May, and as you can see, I've invested some time to update my calculator. So first things first, I've done the automatic calculations for take profit 1, 2 and stop loss, which will give me the answer for the risk and reward ratio for their trades, but I haven't filled that one up yet. So overall for the May, total trades were taken 22. All of those were gold. The first week of May we had PNL about $7 for take profit 1. The second week we have almost $32. The third week we have almost $9. And the fourth week we have almost $32 with 100 win ratio. This brings us at the end of the May with total money made was around $79.2. Overall capital growth from that was $26.4. The average PNL for the May for take profit 1 levels was about 0.4. And the overall win ratio for the May for the take profit 1 was 81, almost 82%. Total trades were taken 22 and total trades that were successful was 18. Average days win ratio is about 86.6, which means that when we trade for the day, the overall win ratio is 86.6%, and they did 1.1 trades a day. So this basically goes to show that if you have an unsuccessful day, just keep your nose up because the next day will be better. It's all about the long game. I have plans for this sheet of mine. I will redesign it to be more comprehensible, more easy on the eye and more easy to operate. I will show you the results in the next video. Overall, I hope you liked this video. This month was a bit crazy. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. That means a lot. Let's see what July has to offer for us. I will break it down in the next 4 videos. But for now, I will have to tell you goodbye and I will see you in the next one. Bye.